In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a video to Mailerlite site. Let's start inside your Mailerlite dashboard. Once you're logged in and on the main dashboard, look for the Sites section in the navigation. Click it to open your site tools. From there, choose the Websites option. This takes you to the list of websites you've created under your account so you can pick the one you want to edit. Find the website you want to update and click Edit. If you're prompted with a settings screen before you can continue, simply click Save and Continue. That moves you past the settings and into the area where you can work on the design. On the site overview page, select Edit Design to open the drag and drop builder. Inside the builder, open the Blocks panel. This is where all your layout and content blocks live. Scroll or search until you find the video block. When you see it, click and drag the video block onto your page, then drop it exactly where you want the video to appear. Take a moment to consider placement. Above the fold is great for high-impact content, while lower on the page works well for supporting material. You can always drag the block up or down again if you want to fine-tune the layout. Next, click the video block you just placed to open its toolbar and settings. In the toolbar, click the pin icon and choose Source. This is where you'll tell Mailerlite where your video lives. Paste your video link in the field provided. You can use a link from platforms like YouTube or Vimeo, or a direct video URL if that's how you host it. Make sure the video is publicly accessible so it can play for visitors. If you're using a YouTube link, the standard share URL works best. After you've entered the link, click the small arrow in the lower left to apply the source and load the preview. Give the preview a moment to render. This helps you confirm the correct video is loaded and the aspect ratio looks right within your design. If something looks off, you can adjust the block placement or swap the link and apply it again. When you're happy with how the video appears, click Save Settings. That locks in your changes in the editor. You can continue refining other parts of the page or return later to reposition the block if your layout evolves. And that's it. Your video is now added to your Mailerlite site, ready to engage your visitors and enhance your message.